Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Search Console for fixing indexing coverage errors, detailed guide step by step clearly.
If you don't have a Google account, create one. Once you have an account, log into Google Search Console.
On the home page, click on the Add Property button.
Enter the URL of the website you want to track.
Confirm ownership of the website by following the verification steps provided.
Choose a verification method that suits your needs, such as HTML file upload or DNS record.
After verifying ownership, you will be directed to your Search Console dashboard.
Locate the coverage section in the left sidebar.
Click on Coverage to view indexing issues and errors related to your website.
Carefully review the reports for any indexing problems.
Take note of the type and number of errors listed in the report.
For each error, click on it for more detailed information. Follow the recommended actions to fix the specific issues.
If applicable, implement changes to your website based on the suggestions. After addressing the errors, return to the coverage report. Select the Validate Fix option for the issues you have resolved. Wait for Google to recrawl your site and verify that the issues are fixed. Check back in the coverage report periodically for updates on your site's indexing status. Continue monitoring your website's performance and address any further errors as they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.